Hello my friends and welcome to today's practice. Today I have something different for you. We're going to be doing a dynamic, rhythmic breathing exercises rooted in ancient wisdom. We're going to activate the energy in our body by activating the lungs, by invigorating the body with fresh oxygen and fresh qi that we take from the outside through our lungs, and hopefully feel uplifted, energized, and ready for the day. But before we begin, if you are looking for practices like this to get more energy, more stability, more grounding in your life, I warmly invite you to check out my membership space. You can find all the information in the description below this video. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin today's practice. Let's begin in a standing position. Just taking a moment to soften, to settle into our alignment, becoming aware of our physical body, softening through the shoulders, letting go through the lower back into the hips, unlocking the knees, and allow the body weight to travel down all the way into your feet. And we're going to start by activating our feet, bringing our attention to the soles of the feet, activating the pressure points, the kidney 1 point, basically activating our entire lower body through the kidney meridian. Couple more times. And one more, going up and down. Very good. If you can, especially if you're practicing bare feet, give yourself a nice 360 circle. This is very good for distributing the weight, connecting to the soles, and massaging the pressure points. One more. We switch direction. Keep your knees soft so it's comfortable, relaxed. Very good. Last one. Returning to center. Give yourself a light shake, especially through the ankle. Good. And then placing your feet underneath the hips, we begin to march. This is very similar to how you walk. We don't need to do anything extra, anything exaggerated. So keep your hips stable, your knees bending one at a time, your feet are firm on the ground. You should feel very natural. Keep your hips so it doesn't pop out, so less effort. We're trying to establish a rhythm that we can follow with our breath. And the rhythm is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's take a moment to get comfortable, to feel the body, to align the structure. And then we're going to breathe. We're going to empty the lungs first. And on your next inhale, we'll lift the arms. And exhale, release. We're starting gently. Inhale. Exhale. And see if we can match it to the rhythm. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're breathing here, inhale in through the nose. And exhale softly out the mouth on the count of 5. Keep it rhythmical, keep it dynamic. One more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keeping your hands closer to the body, you get a nice opening for the heart and the lung meridian. Focusing on our breath. This is a nice stretch for the diaphragm. Good engagement through the chest and thoracic area. Keep activating your lungs. One more time. The next one, same 5. Inhale across. Exhale, returning back to center. Inhale. Exhale. If your shoulders allow, keep your hands at the chest level. If you want to get the release, you lower them down. Focusing on expanding through the chest area. Exhale. Make sure your inhalation is the same duration as the exhalation. Roughly 5 counts. One more time. We're going to have shoulders of still. Very good exercise for the shoulders. Release. Keeping the momentum, expanding upwards. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Expansion into the rib cage, the front and the back of the lungs. And one more time, breathing in. Exhale. Very good. Keep the rhythm. Stay in this momentum. 1, 2, 1, 2. Letting the shoulders relax. And then we're going to open up, closing our series. And then exhale, we're going to release. So here, big breath in. And on your exhale, mentally guiding your attention through the center of the body, emptying fully. Again, notice the big, broad chest, space for the lungs. Release. Drawing that oxygen in, empty. And one more time. Exhale. And now drawing the hands to the abdomen, softening through the shoulders. We're going to deepen our breath. Now letting pass the chest and into the belly. Inhale. Exhale. On the inhale, the belly expands. On the exhale, navel moves in. Good quality abdominal breathing. Activating our diaphragm. One more time. Exhale. As you draw your hands to the belly, begin to slow down the movement. Keep your eyes open in case you feel a little lightheaded through all that breathing. Do you feel your body expanding? Do you feel your body getting almost trying to escape and become bigger than? This is the activation. This is how yang energy feels. That sense of expansion, ready to go, ready to act. Just checking in the quality of that energy, the warmth, the dynamism, the movement, the functions. Good. And to make sure that it's not rising up to the head, we're going to bounce with the intention to ground ourselves. Going back to the roots, stabilizing, opening through the feet. So, feeling how you grounding yourself, settle in. And one more. Very good. Definitely feel uplifted, ready, smiling, beautiful morning. So I hope you receive that energy. I hope you feel connected to your breath, to your body. You have good energy for the day ahead. I wish you well. Keep on practicing. And as always, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and support this channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.